Good morning, Junior 4. Now we want to answer the following model exam together. We start with choose. Number 1, 1 over 7 plus 1 over 7 plus 1 over 7. We want to add the following fractions. You know that if we want to add fractions, we must have the same denominator. So we have the same denominator, which is 7. Now we can add the following fractions. We add only numerator, and we write the same denominator. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 3, and we write the same denominator, which is 7. So the last answer is 3 over 7, 3/7. Number 2, which of the following is not a unit fraction? We stop on unit fraction. What's the meaning of unit fraction? It's a fraction, numerator equal 1. It's a fraction, its numerator equal 1. In this example, we want a fraction, not a unit fraction. Its numerator not equal 1. So we choose 3 over 8. This fraction is not a unit fraction because its numerator not equal 1. So we choose 3 over 8 or 3/8. Number 3, which of the following is improper fraction? What's the meaning of improper fraction? Improper fraction means numerator bigger than denominator. Improper fraction is numerator bigger than its denominator. So we choose 9 over 7. This is an improper fraction because its numerator bigger than denominator. Number 4, 7 and 4/7 minus 3 and 3/7. These two mixed number, we want to subtract two mixed number. We must have the same denominator. So we have the same denominator 7. Now we can subtract two mixed number. We subtract whole numbers first. 7 minus 3 equal 4. Then we subtract numerator. 4 minus 3 equal 1. And we write the same denominator, which is 7. So the last answer is 4 and 1 over 7. We choose 4 and 1/7. Number 5, 43 over 5 equal what mixed number? In this example, we want to change from improper fraction to mixed number. What's the meaning of mixed number? Whole plus proper fraction. Whole plus proper fraction. 43 over 5 want to change into mixed number. How? We're going back 43 into 40. 5 times what equal 40? 5 times 8 equal 40. To get 43, we count 3. So the answer is 8 and 3 over 5. 8 and 3/5. So we're going back 43 until we get 40. 5 times what equal 40? 5 times 8 equal 40. To get 43, we count 3. So the answer is 8 and 3/5. Number 6, 7 plus 0.6 plus 0.09 plus 0.004. Want to write into standard form. 7 in ones place, 0.6 in tenth place, 0.09 in hundredth place, 0.004 in thousandth place. So the following number is 7 and 694 thousandths. 7 in 1th place, 6 in 10th place, 9 in 100th place, 4 in 1000th place. So the number is 7 and 694 thousandths. Number 7. 4 times 1 over 5. want to get the product of 4 times 1 over 5. We can write 4 over 1. We multiply numerator, 4 times 1 equal 4. Then we multiply denominator, 1 times 5 equal 5. So the answer is 4 over 5, 4/5. We multiply numerator, 4 times 1 equal 4. Then we multiply denominator, 1 times 5 equal 5. So the answer is 4 over 5. We choose 4 over 5. Number 8. 3 and 22/100. How can I write this number in standard form? We write 3 and 22/100. We choose 3 and 22/100. Number 9. The place value of 6 in 7 and 65/100. What is the place value of 6? 6 in 10th place. So the place value of 6 is 10th. We choose 10th. Number 10. 0.3 bigger than what? Bigger than 0.30 or 0.25 or 0.53. We can put 0 behind the 3. We get 0.30. So 0.30 bigger than 0.25. We choose 0.25. Number 11. 40 over 100 equal what over 10? We change 100 to 10. So we can divide numerator and denominator by 10. So we can divide 40 over 100. We divide numerator and denominator by 10. We get 4 over 10. Or we can cancel 0 from numerator and we cancel 0 from denominator. We get 4 over 10. We get the same result. So 40 over 100 equal 4 over 10. So we choose 4. Number 12. 5 minus 4 and 2 over 5. So 5 is a whole number. 4 and 2/5 is a mixed number. We can change whole number into mixed number. So we can change 5 into mixed number. How we can change it into mixed number? We can borrow 5. We can borrow 1 from 5. So we can borrow 1 from 5. 5 becomes 4. And the 1 take 5 over 5. So we can replace 5 by 4 and 5 over 5. So we have two mixed number. Now we can subtract. The two mixed number have the same denominator. So we subtract whole numbers. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Then we subtract a numerator. 5 minus 2 equals 3. And we write the same denominator. So the last result is 3/5. We choose 3/5. 5 minus 4 and 2/5 equal 3/5. Number 13. The two lines are. These are two straight lines. The two straight lines never met. So the relation between two straight lines is parallel. lines because the two straight lines never met. So the relation between them is parallel. Number 14. Which figure shows a right angle? The first one, or second one, or third one? First, what's the meaning of right angle? It's an angle, it's measure 90 degree. It's an angle measure 90 degree. So we choose the second one. This angle is called right angle. It's measure 90 degree. Number 15. The obtuse triangle has how many acute angles? Has two acute angles. So the obtuse triangle has two acute angles. Number 16. The scalene triangle has how many equal sides? What's the meaning of scalene triangle? Scalene triangle, it's a triangle, has three different sides. There is no equal sides in scalene triangle. So how many equal sides? Zero. We choose zero equal sides. Number 17. What is an obtuse angle? What's the meaning of obtuse angle? It's an angle, it's measured more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree. So we look at angle, it's measured more than 90 degree. We choose 125 degree. This angle is an obtuse angle because it's measured more than 90 degree. Number 18. What angle is smaller than right? Smaller than right, it's an acute angle because it's smaller angle, smaller than 90 degree, smaller than right angle. So we choose an acute angle. Number 19. To compare between maximum and minimum temperature, we use what? We use line plot or bar graph or double bar graph. You know that we want to compare between maximum and minimum, two things. So we use double bar graph. So we choose double bar graph because we have two things, maximum and minimum. Number 20. The what triangle has three equal sides? Three equal sides, we have equilateral triangle. This triangle has three equal sides. So we choose equilateral triangle. Complete. Number 1. 5 plus 0.7 plus 0.02. We want to write in standard form. So we get 5 and 72 hundredth. 5 in ones place, 7 in tenth place, 2 in hundredth place. We get 5 and 72 hundredth. Number 2. The opposite two lines are these two straight lines intersecting and form four right angles. So the relation is perpendicular. We write perpendicular. Number 3. 24 tenths equal 2.4. 2.4 or 2 and 4 tenths. Number 4. The rectangle has four right angles. Four right angles. Number 5. The measure of a straight angle. The measure of a straight angle equal 180 degree. We write 180 degree. Number 6. The isosceles triangle has how many equal sides? Have two equal sides. So the isosceles triangle has two equal sides in length. Number 7. The angle with measure 90 degree is called right angle. Is called right angle. The angle with measure 90 degree is called right angle. So we write right angle. Number 8. We measure the angle by using protractor. So we use protractor to measure the angle. Number 9. The triangle with side lengths 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and 6 centimeter. We have two equal sides. So the type of this triangle is isosceles triangle because we have two equal sides. So we write isosceles triangle. Number 10. 7 ones, 3 tenths, and 4 hundredths. We can write in standard form 7 and 34 hundredths. 7.34. 7 and 34 hundredths. Number 11. The angle of measure 108 is what angle? This angle is measure more than 90 degree. So the type of this angle is obtuse angle because it's measure more than 90 degree. So we write obtuse angle. Number 12. 1.7 equal 1 plus what? We can cancel 1 and 1 from both sides. We get 0.7 or 7 tenths. So we write 0.7. Number 13. 1.2 we want to change into fraction. So we cancel decimal point. We write 12 over 10. This is an fraction. We change from decimal number to fraction. We get 12 over 10, 12 tenths. Number 14. Half of a circle represents an angle of measure. Half of a circle represents an angle. Its measure 180 degree. 180 degree. Half of a circle. Its measure, its angle measure 180 degree. Number 15. The quadrilateral that's only one pair of parallel sides. What's the meaning of quadrilateral? It's a polygon formed of 4 sides. So, what is this polygon? Has only one pair of parallel sides. Is trapezium or trapezoid. Trapezium or trapezoid. Has only one pair of parallel sides. Number 16. This figure is what is ray. Starting point x and no ending point. So this is a ray, xy ray. We write xy ray. Number 17. The vertex of this angle ABC, the vertex is B. We write B is a vertex of this angle. Number 18. The two sides of the opposite angle are what and what? This angle, its name MNL. This angle, its name MNL. So the two sides of this angle, NM ray, and the second side, NL ray. These two sides are the sides of this angle. So the two sides are NM ray and NL ray. Story problem. Hadi has 3 1/4 kilogram of cookies. He gives 2¼ kilogram of cookies to his sister. How many kilograms of cookies does he have left? Left means minus. So in this story, we want to subtract two mixed numbers, 3¼ and 2¼ So we subtract them. 3¼ minus 2¼ We subtract whole numbers. 3 minus 2 equal 1. Then we subtract numerator. 1 minus 1 equals 0. And we write the same denominator, which is 4. 0/4 equals 0. So we get only 1. So the last result equal 1. 3¼ minus 2¼ equal 1 kilogram. Another story problem. Nader bought 1½ kilogram of sugar and 2½ kilogram of flour. How many kilogram did he buy? Want to get all things he buy it. So we make plus 1½ plus 2½. So we want to add two mixed numbers. We must have the same denominator, which is 2. Now we can add the two mixed numbers. So 2½ plus 1½ We add whole numbers. 2 plus 1 equal 3. And we write the same denominator, which is 2. And we add the numerator. 1 plus 1 equal 2. So we add whole numbers. 2 plus 1 equal 3. Then we add numerator. 1 plus 1 equal 2. And we write the same denominator, which is 2. You know that 2/2 equal 1. So we can add 1 plus 3 equal 4. So the last result is 4. By using the opposite graph, we want to answer the following questions. This is double bar graph. Double bar graph between the number of boys and girls and favorite sports, volleyball, swimming, and football. This is double bar graph between boys and girls. So, want to answer these questions from double bar graph. The first question, how many boys prefer swimming? Look at double bar graph. How many boys prefer swimming? We get 6 boys. So the answer is 6. Another question, how many girls prefer volleyball? We look at double bar graph. How many girls prefer volleyball? 4. So there are 4 girls. Name each figure. The first one, this line, it's a line segment. Its name AB line segment. Or we can say BA line segment. What's the meaning of line segment? A line segment, it's a line has a starting point and ending point. So this line is called line segment. Its name AB line segment or BA line segment. The second one is ray. It's ray. So its name XY ray. XY ray. Why? Because the starting point is X. What's the meaning of ray? Ray, it's a line has a starting point and no ending point. No ending point. So the name is XY ray. We can't say Y X-ray because in this line the starting point is X. So its name XY ray because the starting point is X. But when we say Y X-ray, the starting point is Y. So there is difference between them. So XY ray not equal Y X-ray. This line is called XY ray. The third one, XZ straight line. Or we can say ZX straight line. What's the meaning of a straight line? It's a line has no starting point and no ending point. So its name XZ straight line or ZX straight line. Complete. This angle ABC, we want to know some things about this angle. We want to know the name of this angle. There are three ways to read this angle. The first way, angle ABC. The second way, angle CBA. And the third way, angle B. We have three ways to read this angle. Angle ABC or angle CBA or angle B. The two sides of this angle, BA ray and the second side, BC ray. So the first side, BA ray and the second side, BC ray. There are two sides of this angle. Vertex is B. The type of this angle is acute angle because this angle is smaller than 90. So its type is acute. Half of a circle measure 180 degrees. Half of a circle measure 180 degrees. What angle represents quarter of the circle? 1/4 of the circle. Right angle. Right angle represents quarter of the circle. Goodbye and see you next time.